sharpness today. So you want to make sure that you're dribbling left foot around the cones, boom, boom. As you're getting around, you're getting low, boom, around the cones. As you're dribbling, you're finishing off nice and sharp. Last one, nice and sharp before we move on. Good. Little touches, move on. Good. Good, make sure you get nice and low. Good. Little touches, little touches, little touches. L turn, dribble, dribble. So you see I'm changing pace, changing speed, changing speed, changing speed, L turn. Left foot, good, good. Good touches, little touches, little touches. Good, good. So you're gonna dribble with your right foot first. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Halfway between, you're gonna Zico. And left foot, Zico. Right foot, good, left foot. Good, right foot. Good, left foot.